Let's cover binary search trees. And here's the framing. ABST has exactly one rule. Everything in the left subtree is smaller than the node. Everything in the right is larger. And crucially, that holds for entire subtrees, not just immediate children. That distinction is where the famous validation bug lives, and we're going there. From this one rule falls everything. Sorted traversal, O of height search, KTH smallest floor and ceiling. Learn to lean on the property, and BST problems solve themselves. Definition first. A binary search tree keeps an ordering rule at every node. Everything left is smaller, everything right is bigger. So search, insert, and delete follow a single path from the root, costing the tree's height, log in when balanced. And an Inorder traversal walks the values in sorted order. That's the BST signature. The superpower. Inorder traversal left node, right on ABST visits values in sorted order, guaranteed. Say that sentence, and half the problem set unlocks. KTH smallest element. Run Inorder, count to K, stop. No sorting needed. Validate ABST. Inorder must be strictly increasing. Track the previous value as you go. Convert-BST to sorted array. Two-sum-in-BST. Recover-swapped-BST. All Inorder plus a small idea. When ABST problem mentions order, rank, or KTH, your first thought is Inorder. Now the trap, and it catches almost everyone once. Validating ABST by checking each node against just its children. That misses deep violations. A node in the right subtree that's greater than its parent, but smaller than its grandparent. Locally fine, globally broken. The fix is to pass ranges down. Every node must fit in a window. Min to max going left, the window's max tightens to the node's value. Going right, the min tightens. Or, equivalently, the Inorder must be increasing check. Either works, but the range version generalizes, and explaining why child checks fail is the real point score. The operations. Search and insert. Compare, go left or right, one comparison per level, O of height. Delete has the three famous cases. A leaf just goes, one child splices up, and two children is the classic. Replace the node's value with its Inorder successor, the minimum of the right subtree, then delete that successor, which by construction has at most one child, an easy case. And the honesty note. O of height means log in only if balanced. Insert sorted data naively, and the tree degenerates into a linked list, which is exactly why AVL and red-black trees exist. Name them, don't implement them. Finally, exploit the property to beat the generic algorithms. LCA and ABST needs no recursion gymnastics. Walk from the root. If both targets are smaller, go left, both larger, go right, and the first node where they split or equals one of them is the ancestor. Floor and ceiling. Walk down, tracking the best candidate as you pass. Range some between low and high. Recurse, but prune if a node's value is below low. Its entire left subtree is 2. Skip it. The theme of the whole video. The BST property isn't trivia to verify. It's a tool to exploit. Every comparison eliminates a whole subtree. Let's trace search and insert because they're literally the same walk. To find 7 in this tree, at 8, 7 is smaller, go left, and the entire 10 side is gone. At 3, 7 is bigger, go right. At 6, 7 is bigger, go right, and there it is. For comparisons, one straight path from root to leaf, that's O of height. Every single comparison throws away a whole subtree, exactly like binary search having an array. Insert does the identical walk, but it never matches. It keeps stepping until it falls off the tree at an empty spot, and it hangs the new value right there as a leaf. That empty spot is the one place the new value keeps every ancestor happy, so the tree stays a valid BST for free. Now the hard one, deleting a node that has 2 children, here the node 3. You can't just remove it. That would orphan 2 subtrees. So find its Inorder successor, the very next value in sorted order, which is the leftmost node of its right subtree. Step right once to 6, then keep going left to 4. 4 has no left child, so 4 is the successor. Copy 4's value up into the node, so the old 3 now reads 4. Then delete the original 4 from the right subtree. And here's the payoff. That node is a leaf, an easy case. Why the successor? It's the smallest value bigger than the whole. So dropping it in keeps everything on the left still smaller and everything on the right still larger. Both promises survive. Here's the honesty note every senior expects. The BST ordering rule says nothing about shape, and shape is decided by insert order. Insert 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, all in sorted order. 2 is bigger than 1, goes right. 3 is bigger than everything, goes right again. There are no left turns, so the tree becomes a straight rope, a linked list in disguise. Height equals in. Searching for 5 now visits all 5 nodes. The very same 5 keys, arranged with 3 at the root, give height 3. Same data, same rule, only the shape differs, and shape is what costs. So always say O of height first, then qualify, log in only if balanced. This is exactly why self-balancing trees exist. So how do we guarantee balance? With rotations. A rotation rehangs 3 nodes, so a tall chain becomes a short fork. And crucially, it never changes the sorted order. Insert 30, 20, 10, and you get a straight left chain. That's the LL case imbalanced. 1 right rotation about 30 lifts 20 to the top, 10 stays its left, and 30 becomes 20's right child. Height drops from 3 to 2, and an order is still 10, 20, 30. There are 4 shapes, LL, and are fixed by a single rotation, LR, and are L by 2. AVL trees rotate aggressively for the fastest lookups. Red-black trees use color rules for fewer rotations, better for heavy writes. And here's the tie-in. Java's tree map and tree set are red-black trees. That's why they give guaranteed log n plus ordered operations. Lowest common ancestor in ABST is a beautiful shortcut. The ancestor is the deepest node that has both targets below it. To find the LCA of 3 and 5, just walk from the root. At 6, both are smaller, so both live left, go left. At 2, both are bigger, go right. At 4, 3 is smaller but 5 is bigger. They split, so 4 is the answer. That's it. 1 descent, no recursion, no parent pointers. The ordering does all the work. In a general unordered tree, this needs a full post-order search, but the BST turns it into a simple walk to the split point. Finally, the neighbor queries all straight out of the structure. Floor of 9 is the largest value at most 9. Walk down. At 8, 8 qualifies. Remember it. Go right to look for something closer. At 12, too big, go left. At 10, too big, go left, dead end. So floor is 8. Ceiling of 9, the smallest value at least 9, is the mirror, and it lands on 10. Successor of 8, the next value up, is the leftmost node of its right subtree, which is 10. Predecessor of 8, the next value down, is the rightmost node of its left subtree, which is 6. Same leftmost and rightmost idea, that power delete. Range queries just prune any subtree that can't overlap your window. Every comparison discards a subtree, the tree-shaped version of binary search. Banost ashigal login, skewed ashigalen. The BST rule is global. Every node must satisfy all ancestors. Carry a min, max, window down, and tighten it at each turn. Now the mistakes to avoid, straight from the field. Beginner parent-only validation, forgetting duplicates policy, usually no duplicates. Intermediate int min / max as initial bounds. Fails on edge values. Use long, wrong successor and delete. Advanced assuming O of log n when the tree may be skewed, say OH, log n if balanced. AVL / red black, keep it so. Interview questions on this, rapid fire. Search /insert cost. OH, 1 path. Log imbalanced. and skewed. Validate a BST. Min, max, ranges down, or strictly increasing in order. KTH smallest. In order, count visits. Delete with 2 children. Swap with in-order successor. Delete it. LCA in a BST. Walk from root. Both smaller to left, both bigger to right. L split point equals LCA. And what most tutorials never tell you. Why tree map / tree set are red-black trees. Self-balancing keeps H equals log n regardless of insert order. The whole point versus a plain BST. BST LCA is OH without parent pointers. The split point walk. General tree LCA needs the post-order technique. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. The pattern's promise. One invariant, correctly understood, opens every BST question. Box 3 is the honesty requirement. Say OH, log n if balanced, and name this self-balancing fix. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Memorize this 3-node counterexample. Reproducing on the whiteboard is the fastest proof that parent checks are insufficient, and interviewers reportedly plant exactly this shape. LC98's example 2 is 5, 1, 4, 3, 6. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Why long? Within bounds, a node holding integer __ value, or max, collides with the initial window, the planted edge case. Alternative validator. In order walk must be strictly increasing, keep one previous, same O of n, and it reuses the superpower below. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. The Inorder family, KTH smallest, range sum, LC938. Recurse left only if low node. Inorder successor, validate by prev, and BST from sorted array, LC108. Middle equals root, recurse halves, balance by construction, binary search run backwards. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Here's how it flows on screen. Case 1 leaf, unlink it. Done. Next, case 2, 1 child. Splice the child into my place, grandparent adopts. Order is preserved. Next, case 3, 2 children. I can't just vanish. Overwrite my value with my Inorder successor. The minimum of my right subtree equals leftmost node there. Then delete that node from the right subtree. It has at most 1 child, so it's case 1 or 2. Next, balance honesty. Insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order, then every node goes right, then a linked list. H equals n. O of log n was never promised by the BST, only by balance. AVL/red-black trees rotate on the way up to restore it. Java tree map /tree set equals red-black, IPCH3. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Now the part candidates ask for most, what real companies actually probe on this topic, based on public interview reports, not official statements. Meta reported validate BST 98 and range sum of BST 938 are among the most frequently reported questions. The counterexample tree probe, why is parent checking wrong, is reportedly explicit. Amazon reported KTH smallest 230 with a what if the tree is modified often, follow up, augment with subtree sizes, BST LCA 235 as the value split shortcut check. Google reported delete node 450 walked on the board. The successor swap is the graded part. Inorder successor 285 and recover-swapped-BST 99 for depth. Microsoft reported convert sorted array to BST 108 closest value in the OH versus O log in, honesty question. Here is how the same answer is graded, from weak to excellent, so you know exactly what an interviewer is listening for. Question: validate a binary search tree. Why asked? A design trap for the parent-child mental model. Weak: check each node against its children. Accepts the 10, 5, 12 counterexample. Good: range recursion with low, high. Excellent: produces the counterexample unprompted to justify the ranges. Uses long bounds. States the duplicates policy. Impress: equivalently. Inorder must be strictly increasing. One previous pointer, same ON, and it reuses the inorder is sorted fact. Red flag: in bounds, or it worked on my example, without the adversarial tree. Question: KTH smallest element in a BST. Weak: dump all values into a list, sort, or index. Throws away the BST. Good: inorder walk, count visits, stop at K. Excellent: OH plus K, stated, early termination shown, iterator with stack version sketch for gimme a next, API. Impress: under heavy inserts, augment nodes with subtree, sizes then KTH in O, log in. That's an order statistics tree. Question: delete a key from a BST. Weak: handles only the leaf case, or swaps with a right child directly. Good: 3 cases successor equals leftmost of right subtree. Excellent: the value swap then recursive evict formulation. The evicted successor is guaranteed case 1, 2. Return and reassign idiom, OH. Impress: predecessor, rightmost of left, works symmetrically. Real libraries alternate or rebalance. This is where red-black rotations earn their keep. Your cheat sheet. Rule: left node right globally. Ops walk one path. OH. Inorder equals sorted to KTH smallest. Validation: range queries. Validate with ranges. Delete via successor. Balance trees. AVL/RB. Guarantee login. And the memory trick: a BST is binary search you can insert into. Quick check: why can't you validate a BST by only comparing each child with its parent? Because the rule is global. A node deep in the left subtree must also stay below its grand ancestors. The fix is passing down a minute max range for every node. Tighten it as you descend. Quick favor: if this is useful, subscribe and turn on the bell. New videos and daily updates. Every 1-0 to deep. Now the recap. Let's lock it in. A BST has one rule, and it applies to entire subtrees. Inorder gives sorted order, which powers KTH smallest and validation. Validate by passing min-max ranges down. Checking only children is the classic bug. Deletions 2 child case swaps in the inorder successor. Operations are O of height, which is log in only when balanced. Name AVL and red-black. And exploit the property everywhere. LCA is the split point. Floor and ceiling are a walk. Range queries prune. One property, everything follows. And that's binary search trees. If you want the delete walkthrough, successor and predecessor, and building a balanced BST from a sorted array, it's all in the full write-up in the Code of Aura library. Like, subscribe, and keep building.